welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Soli Fatai, and today I will be sharing the beginner courses that helped me start my career in data analytics. If you are someone that you are looking to get into data analytics field and you are unsure where to begin, I'm going to be walking through the exact beginner courses that helped me learn data analytics. And since learning data analytics, I've worked as a freelancer and also as an employee for the last 5 years. Also, these courses are a good refresher for someone who is a data expert and is trying to learn more or remind themselves of the basics. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. When I first started learning data analytics, I was overwhelmed by numerous options and a lot of resources that are online. But after thorough research and trial and error, I was able to narrow them down to few key beginner courses that really worked for me and will help me to get a good foundation in data analytics. So I believe these courses are also going to help you, especially if you are trying to learn data analytics in 2025. I will be sharing these beginner courses per data analytics tool that you may be trying to learn, and you may find some of these courses helpful for more than one software or tool. So let's get right into it. The first course for me is Data Analytics Essential in Power BI, and this course is being offered on Udemy. This course is so simple and it explains the concept of data modeling using Power BI very easily. It helped me to understand how to take raw data and build a model around them on Power BI. It also helped me how to connect Excel to Power BI and build beautiful dashboard. It also talks a lot about DAX formulas and functions, and I think you'll find it helpful as a beginner. Another course I will recommend is Google Data Analytics, offered on Coursera. Not only because Google certificate is highly recognized, but also the course offers a very good curriculum around data analytics, and it covers pretty much all of the things that you need as a beginner. So I would encourage you to check it out. Another course that I will recommend is Excel Skills for Business. This course was really helpful for me in understanding everything about Excel, from Excel formulas and functions to navigating Excel to making use of sort functions and building dashboard and visuals on Excel. This course is offered on Coursera and it has practical workbooks that you can actually use to practice during the course of learning Excel. So I would encourage you to check it out, and you can find the link in the description. Another course which is really helpful and I think is good is the complete data science, machine learning, deep learning NLP bootcamp offered by Krishna on Udemy. I found Krishna on the YouTube channel and I've watched several of his videos where he breaks down complex data science concepts into simple terms that anyone can understand. And since watching all of his videos, I decided to enroll for 2 of his courses on Udemy, and the course has been really great in distilling data science concepts. So he offered all of the basics to advanced level data science stuff, and I think you'll find it helpful to stay glued to his channel or enroll for one of his courses on Udemy. And the last one is hands-on Tableau training for data science. This course is offered on Udemy and it's really helpful. It contains everything you need as a beginner, from navigating Tableau interface to learning how to do data preparation while using Tableau. It also talks about creating relationships among tables, blending tables and all of that cool stuff. It also talks about table calculations and building advanced table formulas and calculated fields on Tableau. You also learn advanced storytelling techniques and building dashboards on Tableau and many more. So I think you should check it out. You'll find it very helpful, and it's helped me to get a good grasp of Tableau, and I often refer to it whenever I need to learn certain concepts while trying to use Tableau. And there you have it, my personal beginner courses that has helped me in building the right foundation in data analytics, and that also continue to help me in upskilling. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't, and also drop a comment on which of these courses you are excited to try. Thank you very much as always for watching and engaging, and I'll see you on the next one.